Are there any other skills apart from Kafka, PySpark, Airflow to begin as a junior data engineer? There are a lot of things as a junior data engineer that you can that can help you. Check out the fundamentals course and the introduction to data engineering course in my academy. These and just you don't need to join the academy. Just look at the topics that I have. And these are all important parts. Of course, as a junior role, you usually some people have huge requirements for junior roles, which I think it's not okay. Like if you're searching for someone who has 2 years of experience, he shouldn't be or that person shouldn't need to know a lot junior. Nah, so that's how it is. But generally, these are good tools to have, like a part of streaming and a part of like a buffer or a streaming framework, a processing framework, and something to schedule. That's already good. You should look also into data stores, how to work with the different data stores. I think that is something that is missing from this list here.